In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete emails with a swipe on the Gmail app. So to find that feature, what we need to do is go to your Gmail app, tap on the hamburger menu in the top left corner, and scroll all the way down to settings. In here, you want to go into general settings, and then you want to look for this option where it says swipe actions. Tap on this. Here we've got a right swipe and a left swipe. At the minute, you can see that they are both set up for delete. If we wanted to change the left swipe, we could tap on the change button and we can change it to archive, mark it as read or unread, move to a different folder, snooze or none. I'm going to change the left swipe to archive. And then all we have to do is go back and test it out. If I swipe right on this, it will delete this email. If I swipe right, it will archive that email. And that's basically all there is to it.